G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise direction. See in G03 the tool will move in counterclockwise direction and circular profile is missing. So G0 command is used to move the tool in the circular arc profile. The tool move in counterclockwise direction. Format G03XZRF, where G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise. X tool position in x-axis, Z tool position in z-axis, R radius of arc, F feed rate of tool in mm per minute. See in G03 the tool will move in circular path in counterclockwise direction. You can see that the tool will move in this direction. So initially tool will be here x0 z0 and the tool will be moving in this circular path having radius 12 and finally the workpiece will be in this form. So G03 command that is used to cut a circular profile over the workpiece in counterclockwise direction. So we have initially, I will show you one example how G03 will be working. This program, we can check this program, how G03 will be working. File new Fanuc 01234 G21 G97 G98 G28 U0 W0 M06 T1 M03 X200 M08 N01 G00 X0 Z1 N02 G00 X0 Z0. Just run. See this standard tool we can use. Diameter 20, 50 mm length. Okay. Then next step. Now the tool is in buck 0. N03 G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise direction X24 set -12 R12 F60. You can see that the tool moving in circular profile. The tool moving in a circular profile actually. Okay. Then so we have this problem, that is circular interpolation counterclockwise. Write CNC program for the given workpiece as shown below. This is a workpiece having diameter 24. We have to machine radius 12 at one end of the workpiece. So radius turning, tool T1, having required tool signature, speed 200, feed 60, depth of cut 2 mm. So we can simulate the program using CutViewer Turn software. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, G21, G97, G98, G28, U0, W0, M06 T1, M03 X200, M08. So this is startup block. Then N01 G00 X0 Z0, N02 G00 X22 Z0, N03 G03 X24 Z-1 R1 F80. So 40 you have to do. Okay. Then N04 G00 X24 Z0, N05 G00 X20 Z0, N06 G03 X24 Z-2 R2 F8. Then run. Second radius cut. N07 G00 X24 Z0, N08 G00 X80 Z0, N09 G03 X24 Z-3 R3 F80, N10 G00 X24 Z0, N11 G00 X60 Z0, N12 G03 X24 Z-4 R4 F80, N30 G00 X24 Z0, N40 G00 X40 Z0, N50 G03 X24 Z-5 R5 F80, N60 G00 X24 Z0, N70 G00 X12 Z0, N80 G03 X24 Z-6 R6 F80, N90 G00 X24 Z0, N80 N20 90 after 90 we have 20, N20 G00 X10 Z0, N21 G03 X24 Z-7 R7 F80, N22 G00 X24 Z0, N23 G00 X8 Z0, N24 G03 X24 Z-8 R8 F80, N25 G00 X24 Z0. N26 G00 X6 Z0, N27 G03 X24 Z-9 R9 F80, N28 G00 X24 Z-10 R10 F80. N28 X24 Z0, N29 G00 X4 Z0, N30 G03 X24 Z-10 R10 F80. N31 G00 X24 Z0, N32 G00 X2 Z0, N33 G03 X24 Z-11 R11 F80, N34 G00 X24 Z0, N35 G00 X0 Z0, N36 G03 X24 Z-12 R12 F80, N37 G00 X24 Z0. So this is the program. Okay, then end of block G28 U0 W0 M05 M09 M38 M10 M30. You can see that the tool will be moving counterclockwise direction in circular path while cutting. So this is the G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise.